திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை 11th statement. பிஞ்சாய் பழுத்தேனோ ஆண்டாளைப் போலே. Did I show great love for Sri Krishna at a tender age like Andal did? Andal was praised as திருவாடிப்புறத்து ஜகத்துதித்தாள் வாடியே, திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாடியே, பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண் பிள்ளை வாடியே, பெரும்பூதூர் மாமுனிக்கு பின்னானாள் வாடியே, 143 உரைத்தாள் வாடியே, உயரரங்கே கண்ணி உகந்தளித்தாள் வாடியே, மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வளநாடி வாடியே, வன்புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர்பாதங்கள் வாடியே. So here in this poem we can find the contributions of Andal. The pasurams given by Andal. Sri Manavala Mamunigal, he mentions in the Mangala Sasanam, ஆழ்வார்கள் தம் செயலை விஞ்சி நிற்கும் தன்மையலாய் பிஞ்சாய் பழுத்தாளை ஆண்டாளை. That is, Andal sang the pasurams at a tender age, that is at the age of 5 years, whereas the other Alvars, they didn't sing the pasurams at this early age. So the comparison is made here. Since Andal sang such a powerful pasurams at the age of 5, her bhakti is referred as the fruit ripened at the earlier stage. That is what Pinjai Padut. That means the fruit. Normally the fruit takes its own time to get ripened. But here you find Andal, she, with the bhakti, she reached that ripened stage quite earlier. That is at the age of 5 itself, because she could sing in praise of Sri Krishna. So she gave us Tirupavai and Nachiyar Tirumodi. And you can find all these pasurams in Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Andal was born as the incarnation of Bhuma Devi in the garden of Periyalvar under Tulsi plant. She was picked up by Periyalvar. He took her to his house and he treated her like his own daughter, and he called her by the names Kodai, Andal. Periyalvar's love for Sri Krishna also manifested in Andal, and she developed great love for Sri Krishna even at a tender age. Periyalvar was also known as Sri Vishnu Siddhar. He taught Andal the Bhagavad Bhakti and Bhagavad Dhyanam, how to meditate on God. Periyalvar used to do Pushpa Kaingaryam to Vadabhadra Sai, the deity of Sri Villiputtur. He used to make garland every day and present it to God. And Andal used to watch all this. And one day she took the garland, she wore it, and she looked at her beauty in the, that is, she looked at the reflection of herself in the well water. That's the way she showed her love, her devotion to Perumal. Periyalvar started looking for a boy because he wanted Andal to get married. But Andal said, "No, I don't want to get married to any human being. Maanidavarkendru pechupadil vaazhagillen." She said, "No, I will not marry any human being. I wanted to get married to only Sri Krishna, only Perumal." And she said, "My body, my heart, my organs, my Atma, everything belongs to only Sri Krishna." And she asked her father how to reach God. Then father suggested Katyayani Viradam. That is what done by the girls of Vrindavanam. So he advised her to do that. So she did that during the month of Margadi. And all the 30 days she undertook the fasting, and she considered Srivilliputturu as Vrindavanam and the tank as Yamuna and Vadabhadra Sai Sannadhi as the residence of Nandagopal, and she completed her fasting in that month. So the pasurams she sang during that month is Tiruppavai. The collection of pasurams is Tiruppavai. And she had the dreams of marrying Sri Krishna. That is the rituals, what all take place in the wedding, she had in her dream. So she sang on all those scenes, and the collection of those songs, those pasurams, is known as Nachiyar Tirumozhi. And all this we can find in Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Andal considered Sri Krishna as her husband, the God, husband, and everything for her. So this is what referred by Tirukkolur Pen Pillai. Tirukkolur Pen Pillai referred her bhakti, her vairagya, that is her firm faith in getting married to Sri Krishna. And she was mentioning all this to Sri Ramanuja, who completed the prayer of Andal. The prayer was offering 100 vessels of Akkara Vadasal to Perumal. So she couldn't do that, so Sri Ramanujar completed that. And Ramanujar was also known as Kovil Annar because of this. And because he was fond of Andal, he was called as Tiruppavai Jiyar too. Andal's love and devotion to Sri Krishna was brought out by Tirukkolur Pen Pillai in a single statement. Pinjai Padutheno Andalai Pole. This painting explains that single sentence so beautifully with all the details. The details of description of Krishna by Andal in her pasurams and the achievements of Sri Krishna, which are mentioned by her in her pasurams, are beautifully brought out by this painting. This lovely painting was done by Mr. Keshav Venkatraghavan, a well-known artist and cartoonist. When I chose this Vakyam sentence for the presentation, I like to use only this painting because this painting gives life to the explanation. I approached him to get permission to use this. Immediately he granted permission. He has been kind enough to grant permission to use this painting for the explanation of this particular statement. Thanks to Mr. Keshav Venkatraghavan. So this shows how bhakti brings people together, because we all love our Krishna.